Hey everyone, welcome back to Food Prepping. Today we are going to be preparing this Rayo's Cavatappi Arrabbiata that I picked up at Costco. This thing comes in a huge box and there's 2 trays of it, and if you throw away the box, you also throw away the cooking instructions. So if that happened to you, I've got you covered, or if you just like to have a visual, we're here to help. Now we've got everything that we need assembled here. You're of course going to need your Rayo's pasta tray. We're going to need a cookie sheet to put it on. You don't absolutely have to have this. If you don't have one, you could use tin foil, or if you don't have that, you can just stick your tray in the oven, but be very careful when taking it out. We're also going to need a food thermometer to make sure that this stuff is cooked all the way through so that we don't get sick. The first thing that we need to do is preheat our oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Next, we're gonna go ahead and take our package out of the box. If you'd like to support this channel, the easiest way to do that is using our Amazon links the next time you shop there. So here's what that looks like. We are going to leave it exactly like this. Do not do anything with it. Sit it on your tray or put it directly in your oven. And we are going to pop it in there and set the timer for 55 minutes. That's their recommendation. I'm going to check at that time if it is actually done, because sometimes my oven takes a little bit longer. So I will come back and let you know exactly how long it took in my oven. If you like what we're doing here, please consider sending a super thanks. It helps us continue to provide more amazing content. All right guys, it has been 55 minutes. This looks like it might be done, so we're gonna go ahead and check our temperature. So I checked the center and I checked some of the sausage pieces. Everything is above 165 degrees Fahrenheit, so that means that this bad boy is done. Here's our completed Rayo's Cavatappi Arrabbiata that we picked up at Costco. If you guys would like to know how this tastes, definitely check out our other channel, 5 Minute Eats, where we're gonna give you a full review and let you know if we would purchase this again or not. But in the meantime, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and we'll catch you next time. Bye. All right guys, that's the video. If you like what we're doing here, definitely check out our other channel, 5 Minute Eats, and don't forget to give us a like and subscribe.